for the best of the pack, but they can't do rap for it's abstract, original. You can't get your own, and that's pitiful. I know I be the man if I cold yank the plug on R&B.